So we're at the Rocks. It's one of the it is the oldest community in Sydney. It has a crazy past of violence and drugs and alcohol and women of the night, Louis Vuitton, Prada, Gucci, Burberry. So
let's come back when it's open.
No, we're at the perfect time. Perfect timing.
Let's come back.
Yes. So we're gonna go check out the Rocks. It has a storied past. We did a haunted ghost tour of the Rocks last night. So check out that video if you like paranormal tales, and you can go through my footage and see if you see some orbs or shadows or things lurking in the night. So let's go check out the Rocks. So if you're walking through the Rocks and you use the restroom, find the Observer Hotel. You want to go around the corner to the museum, and then they have a men's and a women's restroom there. So pro tip right there. I'm in front of the Observer Hotel. Now, the Observer Hotel is one of the most haunted places in the Rocks, and you can get more info on what cool things have happened here in my video of the haunted ghost tour of the Rocks. So check that one out if you like paranormal activity. So in the Rocks on Saturday and Sunday, they have this fair. It's pretty cool, and it's right across the street from Sergeant Major's Row. And Sergeant Major's Row, these last two buildings right here are some of the most haunted buildings in all of the Rocks. It's pretty cool. So we're at Dawes Point. which is in the rocks or right by the rocks. And right in front of me, which is about to be in front of you, is one of the sites where they buried, supposedly, 3 migrant workers when they were building the bridge. So apparently they fell in there, couldn't get out. They lowered them some food, which if you can lower food, how come you can't raise people up? The food had sedatives, and when they fell asleep, they filled it in. So apparently that's where that happened. Now, if you're in the rocks and you don't want to walk, they have all these cool bikes around, just like what we have in the States. You can go ride around. They even have bicycle helmets in the baskets for you. That's using your head.
You just picked up a coin.
Cool. Now we can retire a cent faster.
It was heads up.
Heads up. Oh, got some good luck coming in then, huh? So the Hero of Waterloo is a famous pub here, and it is apparently so haunted, they have their own 3.5-hour ghost tour. But right now, due to limited tour guides, they only do tours for people hosting events there. So apparently there are tunnels that will run from there to the wharf back over there. So pretty cool. So inside the rocks, this is where Heejin was taking a picture of the 64 door in the haunted tour video. But this is also one of the most haunted places in the rocks. This building dates back to like 1844, I think. So it's really old, and they haven't done anything really to do anything. There's shops in the front, but because of the haunted activities, this area right there and up at the top hasn't been occupied for a while. I don't know why. So if you want to get a good rate on some commercial land, come over here to the Nurses Walk. So we're still in the Nurses Walk area. That's the Russell Hotel. It's one of the most haunted sites in all of the rocks as well. You can ask for room 8 or ask for not room 8. And then, let the night take its courses, I guess. Well, that completes our time in the rocks. Hope you enjoyed yourself. Hit me up in the comments and let me know what you liked or didn't like.